think positive. Everything will work out. Just be positive. Yeah, we're like, I'm positive, but I'm still going bankrupt. I'm positive, but I'm still going to jail. So I'm positively going. You know, what am I going to do with being positive? How is it going to solve my problem? My problems are still right there in front of me. There's no solution. But what does Allah do? Allah says, yes, your problems are in front of you, but I'll give you something nobody else can give you. Yes, being grateful is about thinking positively. But for a believer, being positive is different from anybody else thinking positively. When a believer is positive, they're grateful to Allah. That's our positive thinking. What does Allah do in return? La azidannakum. I swear to it, lam li jawabil qasam. I swear to it, and I emphasize, and I emphasize again, and I emphasize again. This is nun thaqila. It's called, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I will increase for you. I will enhance for you. I will make more for you. Now that's an ambiguous thing to say. I will increase for you. I will enhance you. I'm telling you I will enhance you, enhance you, and enhance you. Another way you can even think of it is, I'll give you more and more and more. That's what Allah is saying. I'll give you more and more and more. I'll make you more and more and more. But the question is, more what? Are you going to give me more and more what? Like if somebody says, how's it going? What are your hopes with Allah? I hope Allah increases me. And you're like, increases you in what? Weight? Blood pressure? What do you want? What do you want to increase in? You have to qualify it, right? Somebody says, hey, I've noticed that you increased. What is that? Did you increase in knowledge or patience or, weight or facial hair? What did you increase in? Unless you qualify it, you don't know. For example, even the term increase, it's because it's mubham, there's always tamyiz of it. In Arabic, it's because it's ambiguous. There's a qualifier, like Rabbi zidni, Allah increase me. But that's open-ended. Increase me in what? So we say Rabbi zidni ilman, in knowledge. We qualify it. In this ayah, Allah says, if you're grateful, if in the middle of crisis you can be grateful, I will increase you, I swear to it, but He doesn't say in what. He doesn't say, لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ صَبْرًا لَأَزِيدَنَّكُمْ نِعْمَةً. He doesn't say, I'll increase you in blessings. I'll increase you in patience. I'll increase you in strength. I'll increase you in perseverance. I'll increase you in the reward of the akhirah. I'll increase some offer. He doesn't qualify the offer because He recognizes you're in the middle of a crisis in which you have all kinds of things that need to be increased. Your personal strength needs to be increased. The blessing of Allah needs to be increased. The presence of angels around you needs to be increased. Protection from Allah needs to be increased. Rewards need to be increased. There are things that need increase around you that can't be limited. And Allah Azza wa Jalla, in recognition of that, says, you show me gratitude and I will increase all the good things around you without limit. And I swear to it, that's what I'll do.